Welcome to 5 Minute School. In this series called Speaking Bangla Language, we will discuss how to create a new word using Sharborno, Panjan Borno, Kar, Fola. In the previous videos, we have learned Sharborno, Panjan Borno, Kar, Fola. If you want, you can see the links of those videos are hidden in the description. Let's start the main discussion. Suppose we will create a new word. Here we will now learn to use Sharborno, Banjan Borno, Kar, Fola. First, we will learn to create a name. First, we will see the English version and then we will learn to write in Bengali by sharing. Suppose the name is Nabonita. Now we will do it in Bengali. Nabonita will write in Bengali that way. First, we have to take Na from Banjan Barno, then we have to take Ba from Banjan Barno, again Na from Banjan Barno plus Dirghikar, again Ta from Banjan Barno plus Akar. Then finally, we will see such a formation Nabonita. In this way, if we want to create new words, then we must learn Sharborno, Banjan Borno, Kar, Fola in general. And these videos must have a link in the description. In general, this can be continued at the initial stage of learning, but there are also some associated characters that will be shown in a series. I will end this video here, but how did you like the video? Please comment. Oh yes, like, comment, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks.